We are at the World Pickleball League and the co-owners of Hyderabad team are here. Firstly, we want to you guys to decode why is it called pickleball?
I'll tell you. Because what happened is the person who invented it, his pet's name was Pickle, right? And because he was going and fetching this ball, which they were playing with, hence the name
Like
pickleball.
ball, yeah.
Wow. And how did you guys got introduced to the game?
Well, we got introduced. I think pickle started becoming very popular in the last couple of years, and we started playing paddle and pickle. And then, of course, when this league came, we came across the league and the team. I think it was a very organic process, and overall, pickleball's gotten really popular.
And many feel that millennials are playing this game just to look cool like Gen Z. How do you take that?
I think I don't want to have a comment on it as long as people are playing a sport. I think that's the core of it. Whether they're playing to look cool or for the love of the game, I don't think the reason matters. I think as long as people are playing any sport, it's great.
Right. And were you guys always into sports from since childhood?
So I used to be 150 kgs. I lost 75 kgs because I got into health, sport, fitness, and so on and so forth. So I'm a big ambassador, of anything which is sports, health, and wellness. So yeah, whatever opportunity we get, we try and play some sport.
Rakul, you are definitely an inspiration for so many when it comes to fitness.
Thank you. I was always in a sport. I mean, I've grown up playing every sport that was available around, be it tennis, football,
Golf.
cricket with the boys, golf, of course, I took to professionally. So I've always been in sports, and it's amazing to associate now with pickle.
But you guys lead such busy lives and always traveling. How do you manage to take out time for sports, for fitness?
If you can't take out time for your body, there's no point of anything in life. That's what we both believe in. And once it's a lifestyle, right? You have to. It's not like I will take out time. Like how we take a shower. That's how we either go to the gym or play a sport or go for Pilates or Iyengar yoga.
Yeah, like he said that I think for both of us, and that's what connected both of us, it's very important to find that me time for your body, and the day generally kickstarts with that, whether it is for any form of working out or a sport. I think your day, once you have that as priority set in your everyday life, then everything happens. I think where there's a will, there's a way.
Any of you has a crazy sports story to share?
Crazy sports story?
As in growing up in Mumbai, the maximum we played is gully cricket, right? And I used to be a leg spinner, right? So I used to give it, bounce the ball like extreme right, so people used to feel that it's going wide, and I used to come in.
Wow. Yeah, I have a crazy story. While I was horse riding, and I was in 4th standard, and I used to canter, and I had to start galloping. So that was my first class of gallop, right? So I don't know what happened to my horse. Her name was Bijli, and she just lost her cool, and I was really tiny as compared to the horse, and I flipped over I was stuck to the saddle, and my foot was hanging, and I was being dragged by the horse all across, and my mom was running behind, my child, oh my god, my child, and the horse was running ahead, and then I fell down. I dislocated my arm, but I had a narrow escape from any severe injury. So yeah, that's a crazy story.
I don't think anyone can beat that story. But tell me, who's more competitive among both of you?
Me.
I think we both are competitive. Okay.
I think I am.
Okay.
You also say that.
Yeah.
And who's
Both are competitive, but amongst one another, like with each other also, I think I'm more competitive.
कभी-कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना भी पड़ता है.
And who's the sole loser?
Who's the
Sole loser.
sore loser? तो कोई नहीं है. कौन sore loser? कोई नहीं है.
So who is always late among both of you?
I used to be very late, but
now
I'm
he's not.
on point now because of her.
Okay. Who's more likely to cancel plans just to spend time together?
Both of us. If we can I mean, we try to maneuver our plans in a way that we actually can try to spend as much time as we can together.
Who's the more romantic one?
Clearly me.
Yeah.
And lastly, tell me who's the more filmy one?
Again, clearly me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I
Thank
enjoy
you.
the entertainment.
Absolutely. Thank you.